Hey, in front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down just a bit and tap on Font and Display Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!